Before we begin, make sure you have viewed our Setting Up the Raspberry Pi and Making Lights Blink video, because those videos will explain all you need to know, including setting up the Raspberry Pi, what this current code means, how to type it up, and what it does. We'll be editing this code from the Making Lights Blink video to make Morse code messages with our LED. We're going to start out by making a simple message that spells out SOS. Each letter in the Morse code alphabet is assigned a certain number of dots and dashes. S consists of 3 dots and O consists of 3 dashes. The first thing we have to do is create an S. To create an S, we have to show 3 dots. To create 1 dot, we're going to turn the light on for 0.5 seconds. To do this, we first have to change the first time.sleep value to 0.5. This will keep the light on for 0.5 seconds. The next thing we have to do is change the second time.sleep value to 0.5 seconds also. We're going to keep all the time.sleep values under GPIO.low at 0.5. So the light is off for the same amount of time between each dot and dash in each letter. To create 3 dots, we just have to copy and paste this code 2 more times. Don't forget to change the very last time.sleep value to 1 second. So there is an ample amount of space between the first letter and the second letter. To create an O, we have to show 3 dashes. So we can copy and paste the same code, but change all the time.sleep values under GPIO.high to 1 second. The last thing we have to do is create the final S. So all we have to do is copy and paste the code for the first S, and the last S is created. If you run this program, you can see your LED spell out SOS in Morse code. As you can see, when we run the program by hitting F5, the light shows 3 short dots, 3 long dashes, and 3 short dots again. Since we put in a while loop, it'll keep repeating itself. Congratulations! You just completed your first Morse code message.